Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your English class. Students, I hope that you are fit and healthy in your homes and you are taking care of yourself. Take care of yourself and take care of your family members as well. Dear students, now once again we are back to the chapter. We'll be reading the chapter The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. Okay, so yesterday we read a few things about her and now we'll be reading furthermore. So in the beginning of the chapter we got to know that how the little girl, she is afraid of her father and she tries to avoid him. Okay, and we got to know about their routines as well, that what the father does after coming in the evening, and what happens in Sunday afternoons. Okay, then we also got to know about the big incident which happened. What was that incident? That incident was that Kezia tore up the speech for making a pincushion. Okay, she wanted to make a pincushion for her father's birthday, and that's why she tore his Port Authority speech. Alright, dear students, so we also got to know then that how she was punished. She was punished, right? And then the father, the emotions of Kezia, they changed for her father. Okay, so now we'll be starting with the 9th paragraph. All of you please open your books and pay attention. Okay, the McDonalds lived next door. So who were the McDonalds? They were the neighbors. Okay, padosi the. They had 5 children. How many children were there? 5. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. So there was a gap in the fence. Fence क्या होता है? जो border होती है. Okay, घरों के बीच में separate करने के लिए, जिन घरों में garden होता है, so बीच में fence लगा होता है. Okay, लकड़ी के फट्टे टाइप होते हैं, and they are used to stop someone from crossing them. So the little girl saw those children playing tag. Tag क्या होता है? A game of running and catching, like what we say as pakadam pakadai. So that game was being played. The father with the baby, Mao, on his shoulders. Okay, so there was a baby and his name was Mao, and he was on the shoulders of the father. 2 little girls hanging on to his coat pockets. जो उसकी coat pockets थी, उस पे 2 छोटी बच्चे वो hang करी थी. Ran round and round the flower beds, shaking with laughter. तो वो कैसे, वो घूमती रही, जो राउंड बेड था, फ्लावर बेड था, उसके चारों तरफ घूमती रही और वो हंस रहे थे बहुत जोर से. They were laughing so much, the body was shaking with laughter. Okay, if sometime you will laugh very loud, like ha 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 ha, and you keep on laughing and laughing, your body will start shaking. So you can see the McDonald's, they were having a good time. They were enjoying themselves. 2 little girls hanging on to his coat pockets ran round and round the flower beds. Flower beds क्या होते हैं? They क्यारियाँ, फूलों की क्यारियाँ. Okay, shaking with laughter. Once she saw the boys turn the hose on him. Who's him here? The father of the McDonald's family, Mr. McDonald's. Okay, so the boys, they turned the hose. Turn the hose means कि जो पाइप था, गार्डन में जो पाइप था, पानी का पाइप था, उन्होंने उसके ऊपर वो स्प्रे कर दिया. Okay, they made him wet, and he tried to catch them, laughing all the time. Now see the behavior of Mr. McDonald's. What is he trying to do? He is trying to catch the children, okay, and he's playing with them. Then it was, she decided सो उसने उस मोमेंट पे डिसाइड किया, शी मेड अ डिसीजन. देयर वर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ फादर्स. ओके, सो उसने क्या डिसाइड किया कि अलग अलग टाइप के फादर होते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. वी हैव द वर्ड हियर सॉर्ट्स, which means categories or types. You people should see how different he is from Kezia's father. He is very different. Suddenly one day, mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital. So mother है वो एक दिन बीमार पड़ गई and grandmother and the mother of Kezia, they both went to the hospital. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. Alone means अकेले. So the little girl, she was alone with whom? Alice. Who was Alice? Alice was the cook. That was all right in the daytime. Daytime means दिन में. So दिन में ठीक था. There was no problem. But children, small children, they are afraid of the dark. They are afraid of evening and night time. Okay. So let's see, is this the case with Kezia as well? But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. Putting her to bed means जब वो उसको सुला रही थी. So when Alice was, जब Alice जो cook थी वो उसको सुला रही थी, at that time Kezia grew afraid. वो डर गई. Okay? To be afraid means scared. What will I do if I have a nightmare? She asked. So Kezia ने Alice से पूछा कि what will I do if I have a nightmare? What is the meaning of nightmare? It means a bad dream. अगर एक bad dream आ गया, and children, small children, they get bad dreams. So उसने पूछा कि what will I do? Okay? I often have nightmares. Often means frequent intervals. Regularly. In an almost regular fashion. सो केजिया जो है उसको नाइटमेयर्स आते हैं क्वाइट रेगुलरली. ओके, सो नाउ शी इज टेलिंग हर सिचुएशन टू एलिस को बताइए वो. एंड देन ग्रैनी टेक्स मी इनटू हर बेड. द ग्रैंडमदर ऑफ केजिया, शी टेक्स हर into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. Okay, so she is telling Alice she cannot stay in the dark. अंधेरे में वो नहीं रह सकती. It all gets whispery. Whispery means quite scary. Okay, it all gets quite scary for her when she gets afraid. It gets quite silent. जो वो noiselessness होती है, वो धीरे धीरे सी जो आवाज आती है उससे वो डर जाती है. ओके, शी गेट्स अफ्रेड ऑफ द साइलेंस. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice. Alice ने उसका सुला दिया. Okay, just go to sleep, कि तुम सो जाओ. Pulling off her socks, उसने उसकी socks उतारते हुए ऐसे बोला. And don't you scream and wake your poor pa. Scream means to shout loudly, चिल्लाना. Okay, scream. So Alice, she is instructing Kezia not to scream and not to wake her father. Okay, scream means to shout loudly with fear. Okay, so now the cook Alice, she has done her job. Okay, she has done her duty, and that's it. But the same old nightmare came. So Alice, Kezia जो है उसको एक ही पुराना नाइटमेयर आता है, एक पुराना बैड ड्रीम आता है जो उसे डराता रहता है, और वो फिर से आ गया. The butcher with a knife and a rope. Butcher कौन होता है? The man who cuts meat. Okay, कसाई. The butcher with a knife and a rope. The butcher, he had a knife and a rope. Who came nearer and nearer. वो पास आता गया. Smiling that dreadful smile. So what is the meaning of dreadful? Causing fear, जिससे डर लगे. Dreadful means causing fear. While she could not move, could only stand still. So this is a dream, this is a nightmare. What is happening in it? The little girl Kezia, she is unable to move, while the butcher, it's coming closer and closer. Crying out, "Grandma, grandma." She woke shivering to see father beside her bed. So अब क्या हुआ है कि केजिया वो उठ गई है. Okay, she has woken up from her sleep because of her nightmare, because of her bad dreams. She is awake now. And what did she shout? What did she cry out? She cried out, "Grandma, grandma." Okay, so shivering means to shake. Okay, कांपते हुए, to shake violently. So कांपते हुए वो उठी. Okay, and whom she finds next to her bed? It is the father. Okay, and the father, he has a candle in his hand. Okay, what's the matter? He said. क्या हुआ? What's the matter? He said. He wants to know what is the situation of Kezia. What's happening with her? Oh, a butcher, a knife. I want granny. So now Kezia has not explained. She has given the main details. So was there really a butcher? No, it was not there. It was just here in her mind, in her dreams. Okay, so she has not given the complete details. उसने पूरी बात नहीं बताया, उसने बस मेन बता दिया है. A butcher, a knife. Okay, दो मेन चीज उसने बता दी है. I want granny. Third thing she has requested. Why she is asking for granny? Because उसने पहले बताया था पैराग्राफ में कि स्टार्टिंग में कि जब भी वो डरती है तो जो ग्रैनी है, ग्रैंड मदर है, वो उसे काम डाउन करके सुला देती है. सो आई वॉन्ट ग्रैनी. He blew out the candle. Blew out means बुझा देना. उसने कैंडल को बुझा दिया. Bent down. Bent down means नीचे झुका. And caught up the child in his arms. उसने अपनी गोद में बच्चे को उठा लिया. Carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. So passage means रास्ता, way. Okay, जो रास्ता जा रहा होता है. So he took Kezia to that passage along the bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. एक न्यूज़पेपर था बेड पे. A half smoked cigar. Cigar is like just like a cigarette, which people of that time used to smoke. Was near his reading lamp. Okay, so वो क्या कर रहा था? You can imagine he must have been doing some office work or reading. He put away the paper, threw the cigar into the fireplace. Okay, now see the actions what he is doing. He is not doing his work. Now he is focusing on Kezia. Okay, what is he doing? He has first of all put away the paper, means he has kept away. उसने दूर रख दिया पेपर को. और he has thrown the cigar into the fireplace. Fireplace होता है वो जिसमें आग जलती है. Okay, पुराने घरों में what used to happen, there used to be a fireplace. You might have seen in TV shows as well, where they are showing this architecture of modern times or of British buildings. What is there? There is like this scare type of, and wooden logs are kept in that and they burn to keep the house warm. घर को गर्म रखने के लिए वैसे fireplace होता है घर के अंदर ही. So उसने fireplace में ही सिगार को फेंक दिया. Then carefully tucked up the child. Okay, so we have another word, tucked up. Tucked up means जैसे छोटे बच्चों को टक इन नहीं करते हम, उनको अच्छे से उड़ा देते हैं, उनकी जो भी उनकी होती है कवरिंग के लिए जो भी होता है, शॉल और ब्लैंकेट और अ कॉट, वट एवर वी यूज. कॉट मीन्स रजाई. ओके, सो इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड कॉट, COT. So moving on, what is there? He tucked up the child. Father, he carefully tucked up Kezia. Okay, I was writing the word as well. Tucked up means covered nicely in the bed. Students, if you have any doubts, then please comment in this video and let me know, and you can also comment after the class. Okay, when I'm sending you the messages on the Kaizal app, at that time also you can comment and let me know. Okay, he lay down beside her. So now the father, वो जो है वो केजिया के साथ में ही लेट गया. Half asleep still. So अभी भी नींद में है. Still with the butcher smile all about her it seemed. So see the focus of Kezia, it is still on the butcher's smile. वो अभी calm down नहीं है, वो अभी relax नहीं हुई है. उसका focus कहाँ पे? Butcher's smile. She crept close to him. She crept close to, crept means रेंग कर मूव हो गई, वो क्लोज हो गई अपने फादर को. Snuggled her head under his arm. Okay, snuggled means वो बहुत ही क्लोज वार्म पोजीशन में वो उसके साथ चिपक गई. Okay, snuggled means moved into a warm position. सो जैसे छोटे बच्चे चिपक जाते हैं ना, वैसे ही वो जो फादर था उसके आर्म के नीचे वो भी चिपक गया, ऐसे स्नगल कर लिया उसने। हेल्ड टाइटली टू हिज शर्ट, तो उसने उसकी फादर जो है उसकी शर्ट को पकड़ लिया है। देन द डॉग डिड नॉट मैटर। नाउ सी हियर, सी आफ्टर डूइंग दिस एक्शन, ओके, where she has crept close to the father and she has snuggled her head under his arm and now she's holding on tightly to father's shirt. The dark, it doesn't matter anymore. Dark का जो fear था वो सारा खत्म हो गया है। Okay, she lay still. So वो एक ही position में लेट गई। Okay, बिना कोई motion नहीं, वो हिल नहीं रही, वो लेट गई क्योंकि अब उसे सोना है। Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm. जो अपने पैर हैं उनको मेरे लेग्स के साथ रब कर लो। ओके, फादर ने ऐसे कहा कि जो लेग्स हैं उनको मेरे फीट के साथ रब कर लो और वार्म कर लो, क्योंकि इफ दे विल बी वार्म देन शी विल बी एबल टू sleep peacefully and sleep quickly. Okay, tired out, he slept before the little girl. Tired out means thaka hua. Okay, so the father, he once again slept before the little girl. उससे पहले ही सो गया। A funny feeling came over her. So see, now her mood is changing, her thoughts, they are about to change. Okay, what is happening? Poor father, not so big after all. जो वो father है वो अब उसे इतना बड़ा नहीं लग रहा, जबकि beginning में what was the thing? She used to feel that the father, he was quite big in size. Okay, the father, he was quite big in size, and now when she is in a comfortable position with the father, she is not feeling anything like that. Okay, so she is not finding him big. जैसे उसको starting में वो monster लग रहा था, now he is not a monster anymore. Poor father, not so big. बेचारा father इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है after all, and with no one to look after him. There is no one right now in the house to look after him. There is no mother, neither Kezia's mother nor Kezia's grandmother. कोई भी फादर का ध्यान रखने के लिए नहीं है। He was harder than grandmother. जो grandmother है उससे वो hard थी उसकी body. But it was a nice hardness. She liked the hardness. She found it fine. And every day he had to work and was too tired to be a Mr. McDonald. So उसे पता चला कि हाँ, father, he has to work very hard. Okay, and he was very much tired. He couldn't be a Mr. McDonald. Okay, जैसे उसने earlier वो ये सोच रही थी कि हाँ, Mr. McDonald, how nice he is, but now she is appreciating the hard work of her own father. उसके जो खुद के फादर है वो कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, कितना सब कुछ कर रहे हैं उसके लिए. She is appreciating that. She had torn up all his beautiful writing. So उसको अब रियलाइज हो रहा है कि उसने जो किया वो beautiful writing, the speech which was very important, उसने उसको फाड़ दिया. She stirred suddenly and sighed. Stirred means disturb the position. जो वो लेटी हुई थी आराम से, उसने उस पोजीशन को डिस्टर्ब किया. ओके, सो अचानक से उसने पोजीशन को स्टार्ट किया एंड साइड, साइड मीन्स टू टेक अ डीप ऑडिबल ब्रेथ, जैसे हम ऐसे कहते हैं ना, हाँ, लाइक दिस, दिस इज कॉल्ड साइन, टू टेक अ डीप ऑडिबल ब्रेथ. ऑडिबल मीन्स सुनाई देने वाली, जो सुनाई दे. ओके, सो अब पोजीशन चेंज कर ली है उसने, पोजीशन में वो मूव हुई है और उसने एक बहुत डीप ब्रेथ ली है. सो फादर हु इज स्लीपिंग नेक्स्ट टू हर, इट्स ऑब्वियस द फादर मस्ट हैव हर्ड द साउंड. नाउ सी, व्हाट्स द मैटर, आस्क्ड हर फादर. सो फादर ने पूछा व्हाट्स द मैटर, व्हाट्स द सिचुएशन, व्हाट्स द थिंग. अनदर ड्रीम, फादर हैज अ क्वेश्चन, कि फिर से कोई ड्रीम आया. Oh, said the little girl, my head is on your heart. Okay, where is the head of the little girl? It's on the heart of the father. I can hear it going. I can hear it going means I can hear it moving. Okay, जैसे हम if we place our head on someone's heart, we can hear the rhythm, the beat of the beat of the heart. Okay, dhak dhak sound which is coming, that can be heard. What a big heart you have got, father dear. So वो क्या कहती है कि आपका दिल कितना बड़ा है. What a big heart you have, father dear. Now see, by saying father dear means father प्यारे, मेरे, my loving father. She has changed her emotions completely towards her father. जो उसके emotions थे, जैसे वो उसको लगता था कि फादर ने गुस्सा करते हैं, डांट मारते हैं, मुझे पनिश किया फादर ने, वो इमोशंस अब चेंज हो गए हैं. नाउ शी अंडरस्टैंड्स हर फादर बेटर. ओके, दिस हर थॉट्स have changed. She has undergone a transformation. Okay, her thoughts, they have changed, they have undergone a transformation, and she feels differently now. Okay, she is feeling that yes, her father is a good man, her father is someone who works tirelessly. Okay, वो बहुत hard work करता है, and she is able to understand why he is not like Mr. McDonald. Mr. McDonald उनका एक वो थे, ठीक है. Mr. McDonald is a good father, but now she feels that her own father is also a good man. Okay, this is what she is feeling. So very quickly, I'm just gonna ask you a few questions like I do every day, and you have to answer them with me. Okay, and please, now that we have finished the chapter, if you have any doubts, any questions, any line is not clear to you, something is not clear to you, then please comment and let me know. Okay, moreover students, please use dictionary. Okay, when you are reading the chapter at your home, I want all of you to have a dictionary next to you, and you should be looking up all the difficult words. Okay, you should pay attention and you should use your dictionary. Okay, don't keep it like a showpiece. Okay, now let's get back to the questions. Okay, I have some questions I want to ask. So, which game were the McDonald's playing? McDonald's, they were playing a game. What was the name of that game? They were playing tag. Okay, they were running around happily and they were shaking with laughter. They were laughing a lot. With whom was Kezia left alone in the house? Who was it? It was Alice the cook. Okay. So what did Alice told Kezia? Alice ने Kezia को क्या कहा before putting her to sleep? And what's the answer? She told Kezia not to scream and not to wake her father. Okay? Don't scream and don't wake your poor father. Okay. What happened in the nightmare of Kezia? What happened in that? It was the same old nightmare, and in it came the butcher with a knife and a rope. Okay? And Kezia, she couldn't move, and the butcher, it kept on coming nearer and nearer. Okay? My next question. Whom did she find next to her after waking up from her nightmare? कौन था उसके पास? It was her father. Okay? With a candle in his hand. Next question. So, what did Kezia do to feel comfortable? Kezia ने क्या किया comfortable feel करने के लिए, calm down होने के लिए? She crept close to her father. वो अपने father के पास आई, snuggled her head under his arm and held tightly to his shirt. Okay? She did this, and then the dark did not matter. Okay? So what did she feel when she kept her head on the heart of her father? जब उसने अपना सर रखा अपने father के उस पे, तो क्या उसे फील हुआ? She was able to hear the heart going, to hear the beats of the heart, and she said to her father, what a big heart you have got. Okay? कि आपके पास कितना बड़ा दिल. Okay? So dear students, now we have finished this chapter, and tomorrow we will be discussing the question answers. Okay? My advice to you is read the chapter from starting to beginning and look up the meaning of difficult words from the dictionary. Okay? And if you have any doubts, please let me know. Even after class, you can connect with me through WhatsApp, through Kaiser Lab, or via call. Okay? Feel free to call me. And yes, that's it for today. Please take care of yourself and stay sharp, stay fit, stay healthy, and take care of everyone around you. Thank you.